lot of people think Temu promo codes are just random, like Temu throws out a bunch of numbers and maybe one of them works if you're lucky. But that's completely wrong. Temu promo codes actually follow a very specific system, and once you understand how that system works, you'll unlock way more discounts than the average user. Before I explain it, the current working Temu promo code is on the screen right now, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a few bonus codes Temu rotates day to day. If one stops working, another one usually kicks in instantly. Alright, here's what people don't know. Temu promo codes are not random, they're tiered. Temu groups every user into different discount tiers, based on 3 things. 1. Your account activity level. If you browse daily, you get different promo codes than someone opening Temu once a week. High activity users usually get better stacking codes. 2. Your purchase history. If Temu thinks you're likely to buy again, they give you retention codes. If you rarely buy, they give stronger reactivation promo codes. 3. Your device or app behavior. This is the part almost no one talks about. Using Temu on a new device or fresh install almost always triggers a higher value promo code. That's why the same promo code works for one person and fails for another. You're not in the same tier, but here's the trick. Entering the promo code from the Coupons Redeem tab forces Temu to refresh your tier. This is why the code on screen works for most people. It triggers a system level refresh, not just a checkout discount. Try it now with the code on screen and let me know in the comments which promo tier you landed in. I'll reply with a bonus code if yours doesn't activate.